What is up with my hair? The same thing that's always up with my hair. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. On today's episode of what am I putting on my face? Something you probably should not. I mean, I'm going to because this is one of my favorite palettes. I still have it. I absolutely love, adore it. This is from Tarte. What was their like Rainforest, Rainbow of the Sea or something? This is called the Sizzle Eyeshadow palette. What collection was this part of? I want to say something like the Rainforest of the Sea. You know what I'm talking about? No, that's okay. This palette, she's beautiful. I love her. Simple, gorgeous, great for everyday looks, morning, afternoon, evening, work, casual, you name it, she's it. I love her. She's so pretty. Well used, but I keep her around. One, she's pretty. Two, she's great. So I want to show you that I do use this. I do enjoy this. You probably shouldn't be putting this on your face because probably maybe expired. But we look okay, and I have like no current eye infections, so safe to use, maybe? I don't know. Anywho, I'm gonna go through this with you today. I don't have much to do. I have a couple errands to run. How much? It has this giant mirror. This whole thing is a mirror. I love that too. One, because I'm visually impaired, so I think this makes really good help. We have some are you all shimmers? I think that's a matte, that's a matte, that's a matte. So 3 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers. Oh, it says right there, Rainforest of the Sea. As I just recently immediately mentioned, visual, probably like eyeball and brain a little bit impairment, but that's okay. So we're just gonna go through, show you how I normally use this because this is cute. I love that they also put the little names right there. I'm gonna start with Paddleboard, by the way. Shimmer, shimmer. And do the transition shade. I love to come in, tap it, and then I swoosh it around. But if you've seen any of my other eyeshadow videos, you know. This will be in my eyeshadow playlist too. Did anybody else use this eyeshadow palette or any of the other ones? I'm pretty sure I got this in, goodness, I want to say like a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy. I got this in a subscription box. Pretty darn sure. Alright. Do I want? No. I was like, should I bring this to the bottom lash line? No, because we're going to do other stuff. It's fine. So that was Paddleboard. What else do I want to do? Ooh. High Tide is really cute. Starfish, Sandcastle, Playa, Kite. Oh, dang it. I kind of want to come in with these, like 3. And yes, I do use the same brush. If you're new here, I have this little, what do you call yourself? Brush color swap pack. It's, you just run your brush across here. Helps clean out the color from the bristles. Easy to use the same brush because I like love the same brushes. Also, I don't want to clean my brushes. Lazy. I kind of want to do these 3, but then I'm like, you got to add some depth. Ooh, High Tide is looking cute. Starfish though, Off Duty. Oh, that is, she's gorgeous. We're gonna come in with a little bit of High Tide, just a smidgen. Watch me just like the whole thing. High Tide. I want to keep this more towards the outer corner of my eye. I would say in my crease, but I don't think we need this up in my crease more. So just the outer corner to kind of give some depth to the outside because I want to bring the light in, which I'm hella tempted to do. That's okay. I have been in love with the tap motion lately. There you are. Where you just tap it. Kind of like tap it and swoosh. What is the thing from Harry Potter? Flick. Swoosh and flick, right? Swish, swish. Like, oh shit, swoosh. You know what I'm talking about. It has been a minute since I watched Harry Potter. Normally we watch it every holiday season, like November, December. I don't think we did last year. This one I do want to bring down to the bottom lash, just a little bit of the outside, because again, the depth, the dark, the despair. I want to add it in here. And for being so old, we still perform really well. Another reason why I really enjoy this palette still. Yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna come in. I'm like, should I keep this brush or come in with this other brush? It's like more of a flat, more dense, but like super soft, fluffy on top, like the very top, and then towards the middle to the bottom, super dense. But I want pink. I'm gonna do this pink. What are you called? Snorkel. When I think of a snorkel, I don't think of this shade of pink, but that's cool. I'm gonna kind of do like the center of my eyelid. Oh, where the shimmeriest. And then kind of like blend towards the outer and inner part. That's so nice. Just to kind of make sure the colors are gonna melt together. Melt together. There we go. That's lovely. Yeah, that's pretty lovely. More out though. Okay. Dust it off. And then what's next here? Kite surf. Kite surf. Inner corner. And the best word I can use to describe it is lazy. I come in with the kite surf, right? And I just close my eye and just plop the brush and drag it on the top and bottom. So it's like all together. And then of course, like, I fan it out upwards, downwards, wherever it needs to go. But for the most part, I'm covering a bunch of surface area. I'm probably just lazy. But I know people who like, okay, come in with the tiniest, littlest brush and they like start on the middle, work their way up, then go back down and around and fluff it out. And here I am just like, swipe it on. And she's looking good. Just swipe it. We're not going for perfect. But it does come out pretty perfect, I gotta say. And I completely forgot about my bottom lash line. A little bit, not too bad. So I'm going to come back in with Snorkel. Pinky pink Snorkel. And just right here. Cute. Simple, easy. If you want to do more depth, you totally, absolutely, 100% can, because my brush fell. Because Off Duty in Sandcastle, Starfish 2. But Off Duty down here, super cute. You can come in with like a flat brush or like one of the pointier, denser brushes. And I just do a little tappa. And I'll come in like on my lash line. Or if you're going out for the night, add this to your outer eye, like right here. And then a little bit in your crease. Ooh. I myself am not going out for the night. I myself am running some errands. I need to go pick up some flowers at Trader Joe's. Because my kitchen is a little sparse. Also, the kids have fallen in love with the chips from there. So, flowers, papitas, maybe some fruit. Okay. Hello. That's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, very simple. You could stop at any step too. Just complete the look as is. I'm going to come in with that brown mascara. Not that I feel like it adds or does anything too or less dramatic, but I feel like the brown mascara kind of like brightens my face just a smidge, just a smidge. So, Anybody else use the brown mascara? Just me? Well, just me right now. Let's do this. Man, we're looking good. Ooh. Simple. I feel like I get a little bit of sultry in me, like when I do like the Yeah, I feel very nice. Very good. I did a little bit of lip liner. What is this one from LA Girl? Do you have a shade name? Sugar and Spice. Super cute. Only thing I don't like about it is that it's super creamy, so it doesn't stay put. Really creamy, goes on super easy, but like bleeds in. Me. It's okay though. Super, just a liner, by the way. No other lippy. But this came out really good. I'm really looking so cute running my errands right now. I really like this. Do you guys still have this palette? Did you ever have this palette? Did you like this palette? It wasn't just this one. They had a few variations of this one. Fun little story. When I got this, I didn't want this one. I wanted another variation of it. But this quickly became my favorite, my go-to, my reached for everyday palette. For a good reason. Absolutely love it. But this is the look. I hope you enjoyed it. I did enjoy it. I'm gonna go run my errands now before it gets too busy. And I'll catch you in my next video. Duh. Bye!